Hello, this is Miss Foot Fixer. If you want to be notified for my next video, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell button. Hello everybody, it's me, Miss Foot Fixer. We have this lovely tattoo here that I'm going to remove. No, I'm not going to remove the tattoo. I have this lovely toenail here that I'm going to remove today. And we have this lovely patient that will maybe tell us a bit about her foot. It's where they did local anesthetic on the toe itself. And what we're going to do is going to use this tuning cut here, which is a pink one. You like pink? Or I like pink. I hope anybody in the world probably likes pink too. Maybe not. I don't know. Blue is better. Pink is better. I don't know. But what we're gonna do is really just stop the blood from flowing by putting that on. So this kit has a sterilized tuning cut, which is great. And what we've done is we've just done some needling to put some iodine on it, and that's just to get rid of all the germs and everything like that. Let that dry. So let me tell you what's going on. So a fungal infection that got worse with the use of shellac. If you look at the other toe, it's nice and intact. It's nice and rectangular. So if you look at this toenail here, you can see that it's a lot shorter, isn't it? So the nail is there to there. What we're going to do is we're going to remove it, and then we're going to see what happens to it, and hopefully it will be a healthy looking nail. Maybe it will grow from there to there. We'll see what happens, but it's worst case scenario, it might be a shorter looking nail itself. So what we're going to do is going to loosen everything up, go underneath with the elevator, and then hopefully twist and remove everything in one go itself. Okay, I'm going to start now. So tell us about your tattoo. This lovely tattoo here.
Yeah, so I had like my favorite photographer. She had exactly the same tattoo.
Oh.
And I love the pictures and how the tattoo looks in them.
So what is the tattoo of?
It's a kite. It actually goes up to my knee.
Oh really? It's a kite. Also, there's a longer. This is the bottom bit of the kite.
Yes.
Okay, I was like, do you have a scroll on you? Is there a scroll on your foot? Okay. So obviously we won't be having a chance of looking at that beautiful tattoo. Who's the artist?
I don't follow actually her anymore. It was like 10 years ago.
Oh really?
Yeah. It's young.
You're young. Do you regret having that tattoo?
I don't regret, but I'm thinking actually to remove a bit of it.
Okay.
A part of it.
Which bit? The top bit or the bottom bit or the middle bit? So this is quite. I'm going to probably remove it from behind. Because I feel like it's going to cause more damage in the front. This causes less damage. How are you feeling?
Okay.
So quite a bit of damage on the nail.
Going there.
It's good. I removed the nail plate. I'm just doing kind of touch up, making sure that everything is gone.
Did you see like the nail that is really damaged?
Yeah, it's because I've removed it in a way that it should cause less damage.
Yeah.
And it's showing that it's quite dry and it's quite rigid, which means that I need to do more cleaning actually. But sometimes even the most damaged toenails, they get better.
Yeah.
So I wouldn't worry too much, to be honest. And you're young. You just have to take really good care of it. No more shellac.
Yeah.
So how long did you have the shellac for?
For a long time. I was always doing shellacks.
Really? Not 10 years, was it?
I would like definitely 5 years.
Oh wow, that's a long time. But it looks so nice, didn't it? Yeah, I used to do like gel nails, shellac for my feet and my hands.
Yeah.
Then now I'm really scared, even though I do miss it a lot.
Yeah, no. If you have a nice nails, like
Mm.
generally, you don't really need it.
Yeah, I think-
unless
yeah.
like for special occasions. Really.
Yeah, I agree. Yeah, I only get my nails done like if I'm going out,
Yeah.
like weddings and things like that. Yeah. It's still better to have your own nail polish, at least you know that it's used on your own foot. But even normal nail polish that has acetone and alcohol can dry up and actually distort the nail as well.
Yeah.
So there's quite a bit of nail, even though I removed it. You know, that kind of way. So there's still so much distortion.
How about like that fungo that it was like still on like the front of the nail?
Yeah.
What's happening to that?
Well, we peeled majority of it away.
Yeah.
Now we're just cleaning what's left of it.
Okay.
There's a lot of fibrous tissue. That's usually due to damage of the nail base or plate. So we're trying to clear that out so it's smooth. And actually revascularizing, so even though there's a bit of bleeding, it's fine because the body can heal and grow new tissue in a way. So much nail. Yeah. Just to see when we took it out, there was so much many pieces left in there. Yeah. And go. Excellent. So that's all done. How do you feel now? It's all done. Perfect. You're excited?
Anything.
Yeah, you didn't do anything. That's good. If you did, you would have yelled at my face, I think. People are like, what are you doing? So I'm just going to put some dressing in top. Here. Look off top. So look off time. Okay, that's good. And then obviously my special message dressing that everybody hates. Not too tight because you don't want to kind of stop the circulation. So it's just nice and loose. And sometimes if you have it too tight, It irritates the toe to mine. And then I'm just going to take it up. I've got this really small one that Christine has cut, which I will use.
I think it's
Always use
Stephanie has cut.
and I just put this over here because, you know, why not? Why should we waste it? This one, so you cut the corner like that, it slots in. And it's very easy to contour around the toe. Okay, just another one up. And then I like to have one kind of on the bottom just to hold it, because sometimes when the patient doesn't feel too much pain from the surgery, they like to walk around on it and the dressing comes out, because we like to make sure that we make it very secure. And it also reduces panic when the dressing comes out. And then one more. So sometimes we get oily skin, and that will make the dressing come off quite easily too. So, sometimes take this back and just put it on. And just one more, just to hold the bottom piece. And just very good. Okay, tap this up, stick that toe color. There you go. Fantastic. Thank you very much, everybody. This toenail is gone. Bye-bye. See you later. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And remember to subscribe if you're interested in toenail removal and corn removals and everything. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.